First, I would like to invite on stage Dr. Puneet Midha, who is a homeopathic practitioner, and he is going to talk to us about alternative medicines, which is homeopathy, and how it can impact healthcare in the country. Please put your hands together for Dr. Puneet Midha.
Hello, all. Good evening to all the lovely ladies and gentlemen out here. Uh, like the madam said, I'm going to speak on the topic role and importance of homeopathy in changing healthcare pattern. When I started practice 20 years back, people were scared to come to homeopathy for acute problems like fever and infections because they believed in the myth that homeopathy is very, very slow. But with the changed scenario, the homeopaths giving faster and quicker results, people started coming to homeopathy for their acute problem as well, who otherwise came only for their obstinate and chronic problems. Few decades back, nobody knew of the terms like diabetes reversal and were very less aware of terms like lifestyle changes or cancer eradication or, for that matter, conservative treatment for AIDS. Now, with the advent of homeopathy, softwares, better infrastructure of homeopathic colleges, and dedicated and qualified homeopathic doctors who otherwise were considered as jhola chaps, confidence and faith of the society towards homeopathy physician grew positive. You will laugh when I will say that when I started practice, it was very common for me to hear from the people homeopathy which we fees lende ne or homeopathic doctor ਵੀ test ਕਰਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ. So much was disgraceful homeopathy and of course the homeopaths also in few sects of the society of course. But the self-confidence of the homeopaths and the result-oriented approach changed the scene. And now homeopathy is considered first line of treatment for almost all the problems including chronic and lifestyle diseases or even life-threatening complications. Healthcare pattern has changed a U-turn in last few years because of homeopathy. Now the question arises, how? There is one term known as causative factor. I don't know any one of us is not knowing or not. Let me give you an example. I remember once I was called upon to see a child of subacute asthma in a family friend's house who was not responding to any treatment. When I went into the room, the child was coughing and hugging a huge teddy bear, almost the double of her size. The fur or hair or whatever you may call of the teddy bear were there lying on child's face and bed. And I asked the parents to remove it because that might be the causative factor of that asthma. Another instance can be advising garlic to a high cholesterol patient or taking psychological history of a patient even for his physical ailment, as the homeopaths are known for asking too many questions from a patient, and this has become a blessing in disguise. Because by doing so and asking too many questions, they come to know of the underlying cause of the disease, which is otherwise impossible to know, and without it or removing it, it is impossible to cure. So we come to the conclusion that without knowing the cause of the disease, it is impossible to cure the disease. Cure is the key word. Therefore, homeopathy has played a pivotal role in changing healthcare pattern. As I mentioned earlier, no one knew of the terms like reversal or eradication few years or even few decades earlier, but it became possible with homeopathy only. Here I would like to add one thing that homeopathy, allopathy, or even other pathies complement each other and are not contradictory to each other, as I always say. Whatever medical science is there is for the betterment of the patient only. Irrespective of what people say, we, the doctors, never think like we are competitors of each other. We believe in the saying, तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो, हम ही हम हैं तो क्या हम हैं. With this note, I take a leave from all of you. Thanks a lot for listening to me, and I thank Primetime Cyber Media for inviting me and felicitating me on this occasion. Keep enjoying in the capital of Delhi, which is known as Dil Walon Ki Delhi. Have a nice time and wonderful evening, friends. मौका मिला तो फिर मिलेंगे. Sayonara.
The award for excellence in homeopathy patient care in Punjab goes to Dr. Puneet Midha. Please put your hands together for Dr. Puneet Midha. I request him to please come on stage and receive his award for the excellence in homeopathy patient care in Punjab.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
How do you feel receiving this award, sir?
I feel great, especially for homeopathy, because homeopathy was considered very slow and homeopaths were considered underdogs few years back. But with the advent of software technology and hard work of the homeopaths, homeopathy is getting fast success in the minds of common people even, and even for the acute patients and acute infections. Homeopaths are doing great job.
So how was the experience joining Primetime?
Experience joining Primetime was great. I have attended few award ceremonies before also, but this one was unique, and all the dignitaries and all the successful doctors present here, it was really nice hearing from all of them, and just made few friends also here.
So, sir, any success mantra?
Success mantra is if you work very hard and you just don't consider your work a work, and you consider your work a hobby, and take great interest in your profession, it won't seem a work and you would mind taking a day off. So just keep hard working and keep yourself dedicated to your profession.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.